Welcome, here I've got VIVO X60 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to take live photo in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. We have to change it by using this settings bar and just simply going to the right to more. Here we get access to more modes of this camera, one of them is live photo, so let's pick it. And here we are. Now, when we take a picture, we should get 2-in-1, the photo and the short clip, so let's try to use it by taking a picture. To see it, we have to go to left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery, and this is our photo. To play the short clip, we have to tap on it a little bit longer, and as you can see, this is how it looks like. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.